So the reason why INNIO partners with Niagara College with our co-op program is because of the wide range of programs that are offered there. So anywhere from the business administration program all the way to engineering.
I looked at a lot of engineering programs, and not a lot of them even offered a co-op program. I really wanted the hands-on experience.
My expectations going into my co-op was to really get that hands-on experience. In my classroom experience, we actually took a recruitment class, and one of my main projects here at INNIO was actually being a recruiter for the manufacturing technician positions.
I took a course on quality just last semester, and I was able to implement it into my new co-op here as a student at INNIO. Success, Pareto charts, general quality, engineering improvement techniques. Niagara College is a great resource of just career services. They have a great connection with INNIO, and that was the main way that I was able to connect.
And then with Niagara College helping me by setting up classes to fix my resume, my cover letter, it really helped me get in here and develop over time.
We get a lot of feedback from employers, especially in regards to the students' documents. So their cover letters, their resumes, if they have a career portfolio, their interview skills. And the employers can really identify when a student has taken the time to prepare for the job, when they've worked on tailoring their resume and their cover letter to the specific position that they're applying for. So really important that the students work very closely with their consultants in order to create documents that properly reflect all of their skills.
My biggest takeaway is networking. I believe that just talking to people is extremely important. I believe that you should have a certain level of communication with everybody you're working with. To future co-op students, be more comfortable to ask questions and have the self-confidence to do so.
How we know that a student's going to be really successful during their time here is when they speak up. So what I say to a lot of my interns is we're not mind readers. So we want to make sure that you are loving what you're doing, because your co-op experience is so important and it forms the rest of your career. So making sure you're speaking out loud when you say hey, someone's doing something really interesting, can I be involved in that? What we really look for is energy. We can train skill. We understand that you're coming from college, so you don't have that hands-on experience yet, but to be excited and to look forward to your co-op is you can see that in the interview process.
And you want to take advantage of the time that you have as a co-op. That's what they're for.